WH questions by using when. When. 1. Content. The teacher will come in the classroom at 11 a.m. WH question. When will the teacher come in the classroom? 2. Content. The higher secondary examination is over. The result will be out in 3 months. WH question. When will the result of the higher secondary examination be out? 3. Content. I stopped at the door of the hut. The door was closed. WH question. When did you stop at the door of the hut? 4. Content. A violent storm rose. The workers left the place. WH question. When did the workers leave the place? WH questions by using where. Where. 1. Content. An old widow. She wants to pass her life in a holy place. WH question. Where does the old widow want to pass her life? 2. Content. He went to the theatre. He saw the actress there. WH question. Where did he go to see the actress? 3. Content. There was an accident. It took place near the Howrah Bridge. WH question. Where did the accident take place? 4. Content. There was a car. The car was waiting in front of a house. WH question. Where was the car waiting? WH questions by using why. Why. 1. Content. The manager was late. The car was in the traffic jam. WH question. Why was the manager late? 2. Content. He was arrested by the police. He was involved in a bank dacoity. WH question. Why was he arrested by the police? 3. Content. Heavy rainfall. I could not reach the station in or on time. WH question. Why could you not reach the station in or on time? WH questions by using how. How. 1. Content. A tape recorder. It operates mechanically. WH question. How does a tape recorder operate? 2. Content. The workers moved through the town shouting out their demands. WH question. How did the workers move through the town? 3. Content. The convict fled away. He did so by breaking the iron bars of the prison. WH question. How did the convict flee away from the prison? How with adverb particles. How much, how many, how long, how tall, how far, how often, etc. How much? 1. Content. I like a teaspoonful of sugar in my tea. WH question. How much sugar do you like in your tea? How many? 2. Content. Only 200 people attended the meeting. WH question. How many people attended the meeting? How long? 3. Content. We shall take 5 hours to do the job. WH question. How long will you take to do this job? How tall? 4. Content. The man who visited us yesterday is 5 feet 6 inches tall. WH question. How tall is the man who visited you yesterday? How far? 5. Content. This is our house. It's 3 kilometers from our school. WH question. How far is your house from your school? How often? 6. Content. I visit my friend's house once a week. WH question. How often or how many times do you visit your friend's house? Interrogative pronouns who, whose, whom, which, what. Who construction. Who, whose, and whom. Who, whose, and whom are the interrogative pronouns with the same form in singular and plural. Who and whose do not require any auxiliary verb as they themselves become the subject of the verb. There is an only exception when who is placed instead of everyone or everybody. If everyone or everybody is used in the affirmative, it becomes negative in the interrogative form. Hence, the auxiliary verb do is used to make it negative. Now study the examples. Who, whose, or whom is used only in case of person. Who. 1. Statement. The gardener is watering the garden. Question. Who is watering the garden? 2. Statement. Everyone knows his background. Question. Who does not know his background? 3. Statement. No one could have thought of it. Question. Who could have thought of it? 4. Statement. You have no authority to suggest this. Question. Who are you to suggest this? 5. Statement. I am talking to Mr. Jain. Question. Who are you talking to? Whose. 1. Statement. This book is mine. Question. Whose is this book? Or whose book is this? Whom. 1. Statement. Rita visited her grandmother in the village. Question. Whom did Rita visit in the village? 2. Statement. The mad dog bit her brother. Question. Whom did the mad dog bite? 3. Statement. We should trust in God. Question. In whom should we trust? 4. Statement. We are not responsible to anybody but to ourselves. Question. To whom are we responsible? 5. Statement. You went to visit the Taj with friends. Question. With whom did you go to visit the Taj? Which. Which is used instead of objects or inanimate things. But when which refers to selection or choice, it may be used for both persons and objects. 1. Statement. This is Bhavesh's car. Question. Which is Bhavesh's car? 2. Statement. The girl prefers sweet dishes. Question. Which kind of dishes does the girl prefer? 3. Statement. Our nation is marching to a certain goal. Question. To which goal is our nation marching? 4. Statement. Between you two, one will accompany me. Question. Which one of you will accompany me? What. It is an interrogative pronoun. What asks for a specific answer. It also asks for a choice or selection. Now study some examples. 1. Statement. Infection on her vocal cord. She was silent. Question. What made her silent? 2. Statement. Heavy rain delayed the function today. Question. What delayed the function today? 3. Statement. My father is a teacher. Question. What is your father? 4. Statement. He's moving towards the north. Question. In what direction is he moving? 5. Statement. We shall take this risk for some gain. Question. For what will you take this risk? 6. Statement. She is looking at the sky. Question. What is she looking at? 7. Statement. It matters little that we are not rich. Question. So what? 8. Statement. Dr. Sathe is a man of disciplined manner. Question. What kind of man is Dr. Sathe? Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.